Vaccination is very important. People in my age group, we were being vaccinated from about 5 years old. You get vaccinated for all kinds of sicknesses. The last I remember, the last massive ones were the cholera epidemic in the 70s, when everybody had to be vaccinated. So let's change any mindsets that have been put into us, any negative mindsets. And let's be willing to allow that needle to get into our arm. But the journey is still long. And so, many anum Ghana for aya ukoje vaccine na nka say the freedom. No. Still self-control. Still the protocols. If you've received the vaccine, don't take off the mask. Keep it on. Don't touch things by heart. Be careful where you touch, and wash your hands frequently, sanitize your hands frequently, and continue to observe social distance at all times. Very important. These are the things that will keep us alive. These are the things that will enable us return relatively quickly to normal life.